part of living a well-balanced life is being able to escape once in a while. From the Life menu, click on Escape. Now you can explore some of the more fun choices in life. Like most choices in life, there is always a risk of something not working out quite as planned. After you make your selection, you can look at the chances of something happening in a positive way, neutral way, or negative way. You can also see the consequences of each possibility. When you're ready to make your choice, click on the Accept Chances and Make This Choice button. It will let you know how things turned out, and show you a history of your choices and their consequences. Some choices are more risky than others, but have amazing possibilities if you hit the jackpot. If you're a community owner, you can add and edit options for Escape by clicking on the Settings button.
Enjoy the journey at QOL.Gold.